Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of forensic chemistry. It's a field where science becomes a detective, using its magnifying glass to uncover hidden clues and crack cases wide open. Today, we'll explore how forensic chemists use their expertise to solve crimes and bring justice. Get ready to put on your thinking caps and explore the tools and techniques used to analyze evidence, from fingerprints to DNA and everything in between. Let's get started, science detectives. Imagine a mystery illness or a suspicious death. That's where forensic toxicology comes in. These scientists are like chemical detectives, sniffing out traces of drugs, poisons, and even alcohol in biological samples. They use incredible techniques like gas chromatography. Think of it as a high-stakes race for molecules. Different substances travel at different speeds, allowing scientists to identify what's in a sample. Then there's mass spectrometry, which acts like a molecular fingerprint analyzer, revealing the unique identity of each substance. It's like having a super-powered microscope for molecules. When a fire rips through a building or an explosion rocks the ground, forensic chemists rush in to uncover the truth. They're like fire-breathing dragons. But instead of breathing fire, they analyze it. They carefully collect debris and residue from the scene, searching for clues that tell a story of accidental fire or intentional arson. Chemical spot tests are their trusty sidekicks, helping them identify accelerants like gasoline or kerosene. And when they need to separate and identify complex mixtures, they turn to high-performance liquid chromatography, a technique that separates components within a sample, allowing for precise identification. It's like solving a puzzle, piece by tiny explosive piece. Chapter 4. Think of the smallest things you can imagine: a stray fibre, a speck of paint, a shard of glass. These seemingly insignificant traces can crack a case wide open, thanks to the meticulous work of forensic chemists. They're like giants in a miniature world, using powerful instruments to analyze these tiny clues. Scanning electron microscopy allows them to zoom in on the surface of materials, revealing intricate details and unique characteristics. And with energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, they can determine the elemental composition of a sample, providing valuable information about its origin. It's like piecing together a microscopic jigsaw puzzle. Chapter 5. Blood and Body. Fluid analysis. Unlocking the secrets of DNA. In the world of forensic science, blood and body fluids are like talking witnesses, and it's the forensic chemist's job to understand their language. They use a fascinating array of techniques to identify and analyze these fluids, providing crucial evidence for investigations. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assays, or ELISAs for short, are like molecular detectives, sniffing out specific proteins and antibodies that confirm the presence of blood, saliva, or semen. And then there's luminol, which reacts with blood to produce a faint blue glow, revealing even the faintest traces of bloodstains invisible to the naked eye. These techniques, along with DNA analysis, are invaluable tools for linking suspects to crime scenes or exonerating the innocent. And death. Chapter 7. Forensic document examination. Lies don't stand a chance. Think a document is fake? Forensic chemists can tell. They're like document whisperers, uncovering the truth hidden within the strokes of a pen or the fibers of paper. They analyze inks, papers, and printing materials to determine authenticity and detect forgery or alterations. Thin layer chromatography is their secret weapon, separating ink components based on their chemical properties, revealing subtle differences that the naked eye would miss. They can determine if a document has been tampered with, identify the type of ink used, or even match a writing sample to a suspect. Outro, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us on this journey through forensic chemistry. We've explored the amazing tools and techniques that scientists use to solve crimes and bring justice. Remember, science is all around us, and by staying curious and asking questions, you can unlock the mysteries of the world. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next forensic science superstar.